Now we have finished creating the code for the left and the right ear sprites as well as the nose. What remains next is to create the code for clicking on the left eye and the right eye. First, let's create the code for the left eye. From here, I select the left eye sprite. Here too, when the mask 1 message is received, panda eye left and mouse eye left costume is connected when the mask 2 message is received. I drag the when I receive mask 1 code block under events here. Now let's connect a show code block under looks like this. Since the costume of the left eye sprite has changed and we want to display the panda eye left, I drag a switch costume to panda eye left code block from looks here. Okay, now we have changed the costume of the left eye sprite, but we still haven't connected the panda eye to the right place on the human face to detect. Now let's create the code for that part. I connect a forever code block under control here. Let's connect and analyze image from camera code block under detection in the face detection category into this forever code block. Also, since we need to change the size of the sprite to fit the face, we will connect a set size to 100% code block in the looks. For the size, a code block is connected with the division sign in the operators. A get X position of face 1 code block is connected to the left side of the division mark in the face detection under detection. Here, click on the arrow in front of the X position and select height. Give number 2 to the right side of the division sign. Okay, now the left eye sprite needs to be connected to the place where the left eye of the face is. A go to X:(Y) code block under motion is connected here. For the X position, connect a get X position of landmark 1 of face 1 code block under face detection. Let's change the value here to 40. Again, for the Y position, a get X position of landmark 1 of face 1 code block is connected under face detection. Click on the arrow in front of X and select Y. And here the value is changed to 40. Okay, now we have finished creating the code to connect the panda's left eye. Next, let's consider the case of clicking on the mouse sprite. At this point, what needs to be connected is a mouse eye. Now, let's create the code for this. Earlier, when we clicked on the mouse sprite, a message called mask 2 was broadcasted. Here, when the mask 2 message is received, let's create the code to change costume as mouse eye left. For that, I duplicate the same code when I receive mask 1. Right click here and give duplicate. Now here, when I receive mask 1, click the mouse below the code and add the duplicated code here. Now we can change the required places in this code. Click on the arrow in front of mask 1 and select mask 2. Also, click on the arrow in front of panda eye left and select mouse eye left.